Good afternoon. Today is Thursday, July 2nd. I'm Jim Weatherup, Chairman of the Oswego County Legislature. Joining me today is Diane Oldenburg, Senior Public Health Educator for the Oswego County Health Department. To start off with some good news, this week we learned that the county airport will receive an FAA grant of $208,000. This funding will help us begin a multi-year project to rehabilitate and improve runway 6-24. This first step will determine the scope of the paving project, including pavement analysis and design. The design and construction projects are on a 5-year plan for FAA airport funding. We expect this grant will be 100% awarded through federal funds and not require a local match. We also expect to receive another grant to cover the second phase. This runway has outlived its 20-year lifespan, and preventative maintenance is no longer effective on the existing pavement. The new pavement markings, regrading, and adjacent turf improvements will greatly increase the safety of all users. These improvements will provide a better takeoff and landing experience for pilots for years to come. We're all hearing about the spikes in cases of coronavirus in the states that reopened too soon. Here in Central New York, we can't become complacent about preventing the spread of the virus. Please take personal responsibility and wear a face covering in public places. If you don't wear a mask, you're not only risking your own health, you are putting others at risk, especially people with compromised immune systems. You are also putting our local businesses in jeopardy if you refuse to comply with the guidelines. Many of our restaurants are just reopening. They need to make sure their customers are in compliance with the guidelines in order to remain open. Please support our local business owners and support our community by doing your part. As I mentioned the other day, if you have questions about COVID-19 or about reporting non-compliance, please call the Health Department's hotline weekdays at 315-349-3330. After hours, you may leave a message and someone will return your call. If you feel sick, stay home and get tested. Now I invite Diane to provide today's daily report and update us on antibody test results.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. As of today, we've had 16,343 residents tested for COVID-19 with 206 positive cases. 19 of those cases are still active. We have 183 residents that have recovered from COVID-19 and 4 deaths related to COVID-19. Negative test results that have been returned are 15,960, and we currently have 116 residents in mandatory isolation or quarantine. For antibody testing, we've had 52 residents test antibody positive and 2,273 negative antibody tests returned, and that still holds at about 2.2% of the population testing positive. Thanks.
Thank you, Diane. The County Health Department will hold its next rabies clinic Wednesday, July 15th at the Hannibal Town Highway Garage. Again, there are new procedures to prevent the spread of COVID-19. Appointments are required. To make an appointment, call the department weekdays at 315-349-3557. People bringing their pets to the clinics need to wear a face mask and practice social distancing by staying 6 feet away from others whenever possible. Starting next Tuesday, we will record our informational videos once a week. This weekend, the daily report will be issued tomorrow and will resume Monday. There will be no report Saturday or Sunday. Enjoy the 4th of July weekend, stay safe, and thank you as always for your continued patience and cooperation. It is making a difference.